Sometimes you write an email but do not want to send it immediately. Maybe you want it to reach someone tomorrow morning or maybe at certain hour. Well, in this video, I will show you how you can schedule an email in Outlook Classic. And here you can see I already have opened Outlook Classic and I have created one email. Now, unlike in modern version where it is more easier because of the UI changes, in Outlook Classic, it is still hidden behind. Now, let's see how we can do that. Now, let's say this is the email that I want to send and this is the recipient. Now, after finalizing the draft, we need to go to option and then click on these three dots. Now here you're going to see the option which says delay delivery. So let's click on that. Once you clicked on it, here you will see the option of do not deliver before. So please make sure you select this option and then put the date and time. Let's say I want to deliver it tomorrow. So I can select tomorrow's date. And here is the timing. So you can select the time when you want this message to be delivered. And here to make it more easy, it follow 24-hour clock. So let's say I want to send this email at 4 in the evening. I can select this 16 hours. And now if I click on close and if I click on send, and again if I click on send anyway, and here we can see the message remain in your outbox and Outlook will send it automatically at scheduled time. One important thing to remember is that Outlook Classic should remain open and connected to internet at scheduled time. Otherwise, the email will be sent next time whenever you connect your Outlook. To avoid such situation, you can actually go to outlook.com, which let me open here real quick. And here you can, use new option and maybe, prepare the same email and use this schedule send option, which is now directly available here. Now let's talk about the possibility of canceling the schedule email. And yes, it is very easy. You can again, open the outbox and here double click on email and then go again back to option. And then from here again, delay delivery, you can make the necessary changes. And that's how you can schedule an email in Outlook Classic. Thanks for watching and subscribe to Technoholic for more such productivity tips related to Microsoft Office, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.